Hare Krishna. Hello friends, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing well. This is Ritendra. I am teacher of Bhagavad Gita. Today I come with very special lecture. Today I am going to make all of you understand the actual reason behind the blue color of Lord Krishna, blue skin of Lord Krishna. But before I start my lecture, I would like to introduce Srimad Bhagavad Gita. This is Srimad Bhagavad Gita. And I would say this is a best version and written by A.C. Bhaktivedanta Srila Mahaprabhu from ISKCON temple, and I would say Srimad Bhagavad Gita is the best version. And in order to morally motivate to anybody, the Srimad Bhagavad Gita is neither religious book nor spiritual book, but in true sense pure book of the science and humanity. And I am trying to propagate a humanity on the basis of Srimad Bhagavad Gita and trying to morally motivate to those people who are actually frustrated and attempted to commit suicide on the basis of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. So let's start about the blue color skin of Lord Krishna. But before, I would like to sing a hymn of Lord Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Nitai Gaur, Nitai Gaur, Nitai Gaur, Nitai Gaur, Nitai Gaur. Let's try to understand the actual reason behind the blue skin of Lord Krishna. Can science explain? Let's start. Blue skin is a result of genetic disorder where hemoglobin is unable to release oxygen effectively to the body. This is science says. The world has depicted Lord Krishna as a baby stealing butter and a churning youth holding a flute with a peacock feathers on his head. We all remember Lord Krishna as a stealing butter, Makhanchar Krishna, and holding a flute on his hand and guide to the youth. And in all that depiction, there is a one common link: the blue color of his skin. Blue color skin of Lord Krishna. This is a common thing. The question as to why his skin looked different from ours must have to nudge you. The legend tells us that Lord Krishna had drunk a poisoned milk. Listen it very carefully. The legend tells us that Lord Krishna had drunk a poisonous milk given by a demon when he was a baby, and that had caused the bluish tinge of his skin, bluish color of his skin. Putna gave a poisonous milk to Lord Krishna, and Lord Krishna drank it. Because of this reason, listen it very carefully, because of this reason, Lord Krishna had a blue color. Is it true? Legend said, Shastra said. The same theory is floated to explain the blue throat Nilkant of Lord Shiva. Blue thought of Lord Shiva, Nilkant, who is believed to have drunk the poison to save the world from the destruction at the time of Samudra Manthan. Lord Krishna ने जहर पी लिया था, इसलिए वो नीलकंठ कहलाए जाते थे. Same theory is also applied. Lord Krishna, when he was a child baby, Putna gave her breast to feed Lord Krishna her poisonous milk, and Lord Krishna drank it, and because of this reason Lord Krishna had a blue color skin. Religious interpretation of the blue color of the Lord Krishna's skin. Etymology speaking, Sanskrit word Krishna means black or dark. Krishna means black or dark. The actual meaning, actual definition of Krishna name is the person or the energy which bring you out from the darkness and lead you toward the right or religious side. That is called Krishna. At the time, it is also translated as all attractive. According to the Vedas, Lord Krishna is a dark-skinned Dravidian god Lord Krishna is a Dravidian god in Tamil Nadu, in South India. There is a Dravidian people, na? And Dravidian color has a dark black color or dark color. They are having a dark color, and because of this reason, Lord Krishna is known as a Dravidian god, dark skinned Dravidian god. Even in the traditional Patta Chitras, cloth art in Odisha, Lord Krishna and Vishnu are always shown having a black skin. Lord Krishna and Lord Sri Hari Vishnu are always shown having a black skin. Then why is Lord Krishna universally depicted as someone with a blue skin? Hindu religion believe in the symbolism, and blue color is a symbol of infinity and immeasurable. Blue color is a symbol of infinity and immeasurable in Hinduism. Because of this reason, blue color is a symbol of infinity, anant, and immeasurable. We can't measure it, like a sky. Sky has a blue color. We can see the sky in a summer. There is infinity and immeasurable. Sky can't be measured. According to Swami Chinmayananda, the inspiration behind the Chinmaya's mission, whatever is immeasurable can appear to the mortal eyes by blue, just like a colorless or cloudless summer sky appear blue to the physical eyes. Since the Lord Krishna is beyond our perception, it seems appropriate to attribute this color to Him. Lord Krishna is beyond our perception. We can't easily understand Lord Krishna. Because of this reason, it has given a dark blue color to Lord Krishna. Actually, Lord Krishna has a dark black color, and in Odia culture, in Jagannath temple, Lord Krishna and Lord Sri Hari Vishnu both are depicted with a dark black color, not dark blue color. But as per Hindu mythology, dark blue color is symbol of immeasurable and infinity. And because of this, Lord Krishna's transcendental form is not easily understandable, and it is out of our perception. Because of this reason, Lord Krishna's color is blue color. It is given in the Shastras, and actually blue color is given by all of us, and it is mentioned in our Shastras. Blue is the color of his aura. Lord Krishna's aura is blue. That's why Lord Krishna's picture is a blue color. This is also mentioned in Shastras. Some of the opinion that bluish tinge of Lord Krishna's skin is not a color of material body. Is not color of material body, but actual eternal spiritual body of Lord that emit the blue aura. The spiritual body of Lord Krishna that emits a blue aura. According to Srimad Bhagavad Gita, the blissful form of Lord Krishna is visible only pure devotee. The blissful form of Lord Krishna is visible only to pure devotee. Only Lord Krishna's pure devotee who can see Lord Krishna's universal form and Lord Krishna's blissful form. Otherwise, the devotee, apart from the devotee, they are not able to see. They are Lord Krishna's universal form and transcendental form. They are not able to see. They can't see. And in order to speculate the Lord Krishna's bliss form and transcendental form, we have to surrender unto Lord Krishna. We have to understand the actual form of Lord Krishna. He may also bewilder to the non-devotee, but those who offer the pure devotion service to Him, Lord Krishna, who offer the pure devotional service to Lord Krishna, always seen Him in His blue blissful form. The people who are Krishna devotee, Lord Krishna make them, these all people understand His pure devotee to understand His blissful color, which is blue, to His true devotee or transcendental devotee, pure devotee, to pure devotee of Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna here said, Samoham sarva bhutesu nami dvesanti nami priya yo bhajanti tu mama bhaktani yomi mahi chesi chapyam. Lord Krishna here said, the person, I am equal to everyone, I am not envy to anyone, but the person who is render his service in my devotion, that person is very dear to me, and that person is very partial to me. माई डिवोटीज आर ऑलवेज पार्शल टू मी। जो पूरे जगत को छोड़ के, जो पूरे विश्व को छोड़ के जो मुझे चुनता है, उसके लिए मैं सब कुछ छोड़ देता हूँ, उसको मैं चुनता हूँ। लॉर्ड कृष्णा से तो पूरे जगत को, संसार को छोड़ के जो मुझे चुनता है उसको मैं चुनता हूँ, वो मेरे लिए हमेशा पार्शल होता है। इज वेरी डियर टू मी। दिस इज सेड बाय लॉर्ड कृष्णा इन श्रीमद् भागवत गीता इन चैप्टर नंबर 9 वर्स नंबर 32। The signs of blue skin, we have to understand even this thing. But in the real life, can people actually have a blue color? Yeah. While James Cameron in his film Avatar was released in 2012, and so the Navi, the character of this Avatar movie, having a blue skin to imply otherness, and there is nothing alien but about being born with a blue skin. And blue tint skin is a result of methemoglobinemia, a condition where hemoglobin, the molecules in a red blood cell that distribute oxygen to the body, is unable to release the oxygen effectively to the body tissue. Is unable when hemoglobin is unable to release the oxygen effectively to the body tissue, as the blood doesn't get oxygenated, and it makes the skin look blue, lips purple, and blood chocolate color. Most of us have less than 1% of methemoglobin, and the skin gets a bluish tint when the level rise to 10 to 20%. When the level rise to 10 to 20%, then we will get a blue color skin. But we are having a less than 1% of the methemoglobin. Famous Fugate family of Kuntesky, 6th generation of the Fugate family, who lives in the hills of Kuntesky from the 1800 to 1960, had a bluish color. The blue lineage began in the early 1800s when Martin Fugate, a French orphan, settled on the bank of the Troublesome Creek. He married a red-haired American lady who had a very pale complexion, and their genetic chemistry resulted in the mutation, and both unknowingly carried the recessive gene that resulted in the descendant being born with a blue skin. Due to intermarriage, the next generations were also born with this red disorder. However, most of the family members lived into the 1980s and 1990s with no significant of the health problem. There is no significant of the health problem. And let's talk about the blue baby syndrome. Methemoglobinemia was maybe passed down through the families or can be caused by exposure to certain drugs and chemicals. Uranium toxicity. Listen it very carefully. This is most important. Uranium toxicity because of contaminated water is also believed to have a potential to cause a blue baby syndrome. And indiscriminate use of the chemical fertilizer in the Punjab village saw the surge in the blue baby syndrome in 2009. And cases of the blue baby syndrome were reported in villages of Romania and Bulgaria that face the sanitization problem and high level of the nitrate in the groundwater, high level of the nitrogen in the groundwater. Hopefully Lord Krishna wasn't a victim of groundwater contamination. So this is also science, but Lord Krishna's blue color because of his blue aura, and as well as actually Lord Krishna's color was a dark black color, but not dark blue color. But in order to show his transcendental form, which one is immeasurable and out of our perception, infinity, we would like to depict his color in a blue color. So thank you so much. I hope you all can understand. If you are having any question, any doubt, then please put a comment. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna. Radhe Radhe.